Ready to ditch boring backgrounds and create your own stunning plaid patterns in Illustrator? Let's get started. First, grab your rectangle tool and draw a square. The size doesn't matter too much, but a good starting point is around 100 by 100 pixels. We can always adjust it later. Fill this square with a color. Any color will do for now. Just make sure the stroke is set to none so we don't have any outlines. Next, take the line segment tool and draw a straight horizontal line across the square. Hold down Shift to keep it perfectly horizontal. Now, with the line selected, hold down the Alt key and drag to create a copy. Release the mouse, and then press Ctrl+D or CMDD on a Mac multiple times to duplicate the line and distribute them evenly within the square. The number of lines depends on the effect you want. Select all of your horizontal lines and give them a different fill color. This is where the plaid starts to come alive. Now, select the original square, copy Ctrl+C or CMD+C, and paste it in front. Ctrl+F or CMDF. This will create a duplicate square directly on top of the original. Select the top square, along with all the horizontal lines. Right-click and choose Create Clipping Mask. This neatly trims the lines to fit within the square. Now, select the entire clipped square and rotate it 90 degrees. You can do this by going to Object greater than Transform greater than Rotate, or by using the Rotate tool. Finally, drag this square with the intersecting lines directly into your swatches panel. This saves it as a repeating pattern. To test your new plaid pattern, draw any shape and apply the pattern swatch from the swatches panel as the fill. There you have it. A custom plaid pattern made entirely in Illustrator.